PLC is power line communication. What it is that it uses current home power line and electric receptacles as a LAN system. That's what it is. And we're going to tell you about it. Now, back in 2006, PLC's first adapter was introduced to the US market. That was BLPA 100. And since then, the system was introduced also in Japan and Europe to a great popularity, thank you. And now the HD-PLC alliance companies up there listed on the board and cooperating companies have expanded in size, and HD-PLC has secured its position with overwhelming market share in its field, especially in Japan where high-speed PLC is very popular. And we can say that, well, in Japan, HD-PLC is the de facto standard. Now let me tell you what's going on in the PLC world. The standard draft discussion for PLC technology ended last month at the Tel Aviv Conference for Standardizing Organization, IEEE 1901, P1901, and the standard draft will be available shortly to everyone. So this is a landmark development. This means that more products that comply with exacting global standard will be introduced shortly. Now let me tell you 4 reasons why HD-PLC is so popular. Reason number 1, it is very easy to set up. Reason number 2, there's only minimum wiring involved. Number 3, we provide strong security. Number 4, we provide premium high-speed data transmission. Now, before HD-PLC, let me ask you, what did you have to do if you wanted to move a PC from one room to the other at home or add another PC? You probably had to have the whole house wired with LAN. Now, it must have had a great construction, and or a wireless LAN, which may have a security issue at times. But with HD-PLC, you don't have to deal with any of that. Now, remember, we use the existing power line as LAN, so it's very easy. Katie, let's show them the box. This is one of our PLC products. And in this box, there are 2 PLC adapters. And here's what you're going to do if you want to add a PC to your network. Now, plug one to a wall outlet next to your router. Connect that with a short LAN wire. And plug another one to the wall outlet closest to the PC, and then plug that with a short LAN wire. And that's all you have to do. Now you just added that PC. What you can do is you can connect the internet to the TV using PLC also. And now you know there are lots of services available that you can use for television. You can watch, let's say, YouTube videos on TV, or maybe a movie from Netflix. And here's what you can do with PLC. Again, the same adapter set. One to the router, and then one to the nearest wall outlet. And plug that with a short LAN wire. And voila! Now you have the internet on your TV. Let's show them. Let's see, let's get to YouTube. Katie is showing you how easy it is to get your YouTube on the television. How is it? All right. See how easy that is? Now you can enjoy the internet on your television right there using PLC. Okay, let's move on to the next subject. We're talking about smart energy. You probably heard about the term smart energy or smart grid, right? It is a very important concept that is gaining popularity right now. Now, the brief explanation of what smart energy is about is that it uses IT technology to efficiently manage home electric usage or home electric generation. And smart energy can also intelligently manage and transmit electrical power from the power plant to your home or to improve the transmission of power in the whole community. Now, this approach to greater efficiency is part of our national eco movement that is gaining momentum. President Obama's recent Green New Deal speech stating the importance of a smart grid approach promotes the incorporation of smart energy concepts at home and also at the community level. Now, PLC is the ideal technology to help implement such smart energy plans. And I'm going to show you how. We're going to show you viewable electricity system. Now, you can see the electric usage graphs on each room, or you can view your real-time electricity usage charges, and here's how. Now, look at this fan here. Suppose this fan is used in the room, some other room, and then you're watching your PC. Okay, now this fan is plugged into a PLC adapter. Now that adapter collects all the electrical information from this fan and through your power line sends the data to your PC, to the server. And what you can do is you can easily create a graph of electrical consumption, or you can see the real-time consumption charges. And that's what you can do with PLC. Now, even though there are many electric devices at home, you can easily and selectively collect electrical information from all these devices and that use existing power lines. And it is very convenient and informative. And you know what you can do with this viewable electric system? You can tell your family members to turn on or turn off the electric devices when they're not using them, or just use them during the off-peak hours. And that way you can save money. And then you can see them on your chart, and that's really nice feature. Now let's talk about the future of smart energy with PLC. Look at the house there in the middle. Now in the graph you see the pink lines and black lines. Pink lines represent the power line at home, and black line represents the LAN. Now with PLC you can eliminate the LAN wire. Remember, your power line becomes your LAN. So you can eliminate the LAN and then use the power line. Now, as more home appliances are produced with built-in PLC functions, you'll be able to easily create, expand, and manage your PLC home network just by plugging your appliances into the nearest wall plugs. And that's all you have to do. Imagine your smart home network that is connected to indoor control devices such as power conditioner, and then connected to a smart electrometer outside the home, and then to the base station on the utility pole. By the way, that device in the plastic case is your power meter that's going to be installed outside your home, and the circuit board you see is going to be at the base station on the a utility pole. Now you can smartly control your home power usage, the generation of solar power, the charging of your electric vehicle, and even the transmission and sale of your energy back to the power company and make money that way. Now, PLC can help you do that in the future. Now, considering the convenience and the benefits and all the possibilities, what do you think about the future with PLC? Pretty bright and promising? Yes? Everybody's nodding. We like that. Okay, as you know, the Smart Grid program is moving forward, and it's using either wireless LAN or PLC as a networking method. And meeting that challenge are the HD-PLC Alliance companies and cooperating companies. And they're working hard to provide a variety of applications for you. And what makes all these applications possible is this smart module. It's tiny. HD-PLC module. Last year, HD-PLC's second generation chip was introduced. Its processing speed was increased to a blazing 210 megabits per second. That's amazing. The anti-noise feature was strengthened and its chip was made smaller. So these upgrades have greatly expanded the possibilities of designing a wide range of products, from well-established information devices all the way to applications in general home appliances. Based on our green ubiquitous concept, we will continue providing products and systems with concerns of global environment while bringing your life and businesses more convenience, prosperity, and quality.